Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to Kotak Securities Weekly Fundamental Podcast. This is Rini Mehta. Last week, stock markets in India ended the week on a strong note. Sensex and Nifty rose more than 2%, whereas mid-cap and small-cap indices gained 1 to 2%. Most of the sectoral indices reported positive gains. However, BSE Power Index saw negative returns. Key global markets also witnessed a recovery, even though sentiments remained volatile. And then Eurozone headline inflation slowed to 6.9% in March, down from 8.5% in February 2023. Crude oil prices rose last week from the lows witnessed earlier this month. Markets will continue to focus on inflation numbers across key economies and related central bank actions. Domestic markets will keenly watch out for RBI policy meet scheduled this week. Over the coming weeks, market will also start focusing on fourth quarter results season. Coming to the foreign investors' participation, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of rupees 1,603 crores so far in March. Indian equity markets were circumspect ahead of RBI monetary policy meeting and fourth quarter earnings season. On the economy front, US Fed officials maintained their hawkish stance on inflation management as they expressed confidence on stabilizing the banking sector. So, amidst all this, FII flows are expected to remain volatile. And if we look at the FPI flows in March for the emerging markets, they were mixed. Except for India and Indonesia, all other emerging markets saw outflows. Now coming to the stock picks for the week. First is ICICI Lombard with add rating. We believe that continued momentum in select cohorts of motor, third party and health, coupled with a gradual pickup in retail health, will drive business momentum at ICICI Lombard. Competition in motor own damage remains a sensitivity, and de-tariffing of commercial lines will likely provide near-term headwinds. Post a long period of underperformance and earnings downgrade, we revised up our rating to add from reduced rating earlier, and now our fair value or target price stands at rupees 1200. Lastly, our pick of the week is GMR Infra. For the airport operator, the weather outside doesn't matter. For the incumbent airport operator in India, Asia is the playground. Add to it access to low-cost capital, unhindered management bandwidth and financial oversight from global major airports, the case for value creation goes up. The proposed funding support from Group ADP to GMR airports and simplification of the corporate structure would do exactly that. So we increase the fair value or target to rupees 45 as we assume 15% add-on value from new projects from 10% earlier. We note case of GMR Infra getting valued as a platform. Currently 85% of value comes from own assets with finite life. So guys, you can consider adding the stock to your portfolio. That's all from our side today. Thank you and see you again next week. Signing off.